Hey guys, Noveen here. I'm gonna play a Roblox game called Pokemon Fighters ES. Most of you guys are familiar with this game, so let's go. It's basically a Pokemon game. Okay, let's choose a Pokemon. Oh my goodness. Oh, I played this on my other account. Guys, I can show you how to get Ash Greninja in the game. First, you need a code. Mudkip, why can't you get faster? Come on, Mudkip. Okay, already 1 minute into the video. I think 1 minute at least. See my clock there? I don't know why, but I have my iPad here. Just to search up some codes. I know I can get you Ditto too. Okay, Ash Greninja and Ditto. Okay. Go. You press codes and then wait. Wait. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, let me see. So it is 109 1029. Hold on. Two again. 0. Then you press enter. Redeem 1 mystical encore. There you go, guys. Go to your bags. Go to key item. And there it is. Now you obviously need Greninja. Which I obviously do not have. But you get Greninja. And then you kill someone with the Greninja, and then you're Ash Greninja. I tried it on my other account, and it actually worked. Yeah. So simple, short video. Not gonna do much, but I'm just showing you the code. Wait. Oh, I forgot. I am Ditto. I forgot to show you the Ditto code. Hold on, let me show you the Ditto code. This is the only way you can get Ash Greninja and Ditto. Okay? Uppercase I, uppercase M, uppercase A, lowercase m, then everything else lowercase. I am No, it's an uppercase D though. O, and now enter. Code redeemed. You receive normal Ditto. Look. Simple, right? Maybe I can show you one more code. Hold on. What really saying? Lord. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Sorry, this is too much. Oh, here's some codes. They don't ask Greninja we have done. Then Ditto and Greninja. See. Hold on. Okay, there's F1R5 T go DE Sorry guys, I think this video is too long, but there you go. You have your Ash, Ninja, and Ditto. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!